Hi, I'm Rita Caldera, and my topic for this research paper is challenges faced by teachers while teaching learners with learning disability. So, the introduction. Education is a fundamental right of every child. Programs on universalization of primary education are being carried out worldwide. In India, with the initial efforts of District Primary Education Program DPEP, followed by Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan SSA, the primary education has become a priority of the country. The education should enhance teachers who teach children with learning disability and also create awareness in the society to accept children with special educational needs. Children with learning disability need extra attention in terms of curriculum adoption, teaching methods, and availability of teaching and learning materials, assistive technology, assessment systems, as well as resources and funds for more assistance in adapting the school environment. In 1990s, most countries realized that improving literacy and numeracy among children has a strong connection with children's ability. In it, it is important to emphasize that activities and roles that a society considers to be normal depend on age, sex, as well as a number of social and cultural factors. In the light of current scenario, the learners with development disability find difficult to learn literacy and numeracy in a conventional school systems and to keep pace with other learners and consequently suffer in terms of their educational progress and academic achievements. The children came from the lower middle and upper middle socio-economic strata of society. Referral was due to their poor school performance. Studies conducted by the Sri Chitra Tirunal Institute of Medical Science and Technology in Kerala in 1997 revealed that nearly 10% of the childhood population has developmental language disorders of one type or the other, and 8 to 10% of the school population has learning disability of one form or the other. The Institute of Cognitive Neurosciences, Kerala, has been conducting research programs in child language disorders and developing research and rehabilitation programs for learning disabilities. Review of literature. Humphrey conducted a study challenges faced by teachers when teaching learners with development disability in Tanzania. This study addressed the issue of children with development disability by examining the challenges faced by teachers who teach children with development disability and how they try to overcome these challenges. Local teachers in most of the primary schools in Tanzania lack training in special needs education for children with development disability, and the general purpose of this study is to find out what challenges teachers face when teaching children with development disability. Mamkamyarti. The study explored pedagogical strategies carried out by teachers to support special need children in improving their level of literacy and numeracy. Those activities are the common teaching practice for slow learners. In order to evaluate the effectiveness of those practices, a focus group discussion with a group of students was carried out. Results revealed that most students have problems in literacy and numeracy. I say uh, this study was trying to identify challenges faced by teachers while implementing inclusive education in schools and their role in teaching and learning process. It discusses about the additional efforts taken by the regular school teacher to include students with special needs in their classes and the key challenge to implement inclusive education in schools. Bora conducted a study slow learners role of teachers and guardians in knowing their hidden skills, identified the major characteristics of slow learners. In the discussion with the interventions for slow learners, it discusses certain specific strategies like reducing environmental distractions, shorter assignments, alternative forms of assessments like orals, etc. Methodology aim to explore the challenges faced by teachers while teaching children with learning disability. Research questions. What is the teacher's understanding of learning disability? What challenges do remedial teachers face while teaching children with learning disability and how do they overcome them? What are the teaching approaches and methodology used to teach children with learning disability? Objectives. To study what challenge do teachers face while teaching children with learning disability. To study how they overcome the challenges while teaching children with learning disability. Summary and conclusion. This research was done to understand what are the challenges faced by teachers while teaching children with learning disability and how do they overcome these challenges. This study also provides the explanation as given by the respondents in the various areas of challenges that teachers face while teaching. The following are some major challenges that have been derived from analysis. Challenges faced by teachers: teaching material and curriculum structure, lack of time, expectations from parents, behavioral issues, motivating the students, building self esteem, emotional issues of the children. These 7 challenges are commonly faced by the teachers and they have their own methods to overcome all these challenges. Teaching approaches and methodology. Alpha to Mega, multisensory, trial and error, adaptive, VARKV. These are the different kind of teaching strategies and methodology used by the teachers who dealing with learners with learning disability, and there is no specific method. The nature or kind of method will vary according to child's weakness or area of disability. Limitations. Limitations of the present work serve as an opportunity for the future researchers. However, there are certain limitations that should be addressed. Data was collected only from one school. The socio-economic, cultural, and religious backgrounds of participants were not accounted for the study. The sample size was small as well. Time constraint for respondents, and because of it, the quality of research work was affected. Implications. The study describes about the challenges faced by teachers while teaching learners with learning disability and the methods used to overcome these challenges. By describing the various challenges, we can address all these challenges and make the school administration understand the challenges faced by special needs teachers and address them, thereby increasing their satisfaction in the workplace. References. Thank you.